went to the gift shop. They didn't have any pants, so I put on some shorts and I just layered up top. I was good. It really wasn't that bad. Until we started walking back to the hotel, and then it was really fun. But when we were jogging around, it wasn't bad at all.
Anybody in the chest know what that building is over there?
Not at all. I was trying to want to go.
I think that's the Colombian War Monument.
Colombian War Monument?
Well, there was one that said the Colombian
mass extinction.
Oh, no. I'm telling you, it's Colombian.
We should have got on
military
scooters.
I mean, we could track them down. You got Uber.
We can scooter on the way back.
I got an app. That's far.
There's an app for that.
That's far, bro.
That's fun.
Yeah, we can scooter back as far.
That's well.
We just got to climb like
nuts.
Honestly, no, we don't need a scooter back. I just kind of want a scooter
in general.
In general, yeah.
I mean,
I'm a fucking child.
They got a lot of. I mean, we went scooter to the weed shop yesterday.
I can't think of a better place to scooter to. Speaking of
I'm never going back to that place ever again.
Speaking of that, look,
dude, that place was the most sketchiest fucking thing. Apparently it's still frowned upon. Like here, you know what I'm saying? Like it's legal, but it's frowned upon. Apparently.
Why did they pass it?
No, it's legal. Like you can do it.
It's like masturbating on an airplane.
Yeah.
Bin Laden.
Yeah, kind of like that.
Thanks, Bin Laden.
It's just frowned upon. Like, dude, literally, this was like in the basement of a building, and it was like a bank teller behind a screen. Well, there guys working in front, and then whenever someone wanted to buy something, they handed the money to like the bank teller behind like a big screen.
I mean, had you been to a dispensary in Colorado?
Guys,
yeah.
Just imagine all the great speeches.
In Las Vegas too, they're nothing like that.
Yeah, it's probably just, truthfully, it's just dumb regulated here.
Just imagine all the great speeches that were said here, and when Forrest Gump went in the
Think about
water.
whenever Jenny took our room.
Yeah.
Jenny.
Actually, a few moments ago, about maybe an hour, not maybe a few hours ago, this place was filled up because for March July.
Oh, it was yesterday.
Oh, yesterday, yeah.
Grandpa and I got stuck in the fucking traffic.
Yeah, you couldn't fucking walk in this bitch. It was so full.
Wow. Like in this area, yeah.
Where else? Fuck this other.
Well,
with the fence right here. So there's fenced in all around you.
yeah, that kind of sucks.
I'll fence you in.
Bring it. Yeah, apparently
Hey,
Lon,
up yours, pal.
but apparently Lon and Uber got
Up
like
in yours.
A little turf war going?
No, a little contract deal because I could search Lon scooters on my Uber app.
You could.
Interesting. See, in Austin, Uber has their own scooters.
See, I thought they had that here too, but apparently Uber and Lime got some type of joint venture.
Cool. Yeah, because they have birds, limes, they have
Thibodeau had Spin.
You got
Gotcha.
Lyft got their own.
Gotcha.
Ford has one, like Ford scooters.
I know Lyft has their own scooters. Razor actually has scooters.
Razor.
Like
the phone?
Like the Razor scooters we used to play on.
Oh, Razor.
Oh.
They actually have.
I thought like Motorola.
No, they actually have their own.
They actually came out with a phone, a touchscreen phone, right?
It was the right.
I did see that Motorola was coming
But
out.
that
with a
bitch is
phone.
indestructible.
It's pretty cool.
What?
If Motorola.
Dude, I broke so many Razors.
No, I'm talking like no. Instead of Motorola touchscreen, not a Razor, but it's.
Yeah, no. It's a touchscreen, but it has a Razor like flip phone.
You're thinking of Nextel. Those little bricks that were indestructible?
That was Motorola.
No.
No, that was start with an N.
Razors were like the Motorola made very flimsy phones.
Who had the one that I could like literally smash on the ground, throw in the pond,
Nextel.
stomp on it,
Those
pick
are
it
like
up,
those
call home.
Nextel walkie-talkie phones.
No,
Uncle Todd used to have one of those.
yeah, no, but no,
It was yellow and black.
it was a Motorola phone. It was like a cube. It's not face. It was like this thick.
You're talking about a Sony Ericsson?
Well, it was blue, right?
It was blue. It was this thick. And big gray buttons.
Oh, could you play Snake on it?
I guess. I'm not sure. No. I'm sure. It was a big ass phone. It was blue. I mean, it wasn't blue.
I mean, dude, Motorola had some huge. I mean, they invented the first cell phone, so it was literally like a big brick.
Yeah, no, but it wasn't like that. It was like maybe this big, this thick, and had like silver buttons on it. Like you always do like smashing the
Sounds like you're talking about Sony Ericsson.
Literally, I watched this video. They dropped a red hot nickel ball on top of it, and it still worked. It melted through the screen, and the phone still worked.
So,
What?
got a nice little pole there, huh?
What did she say?
Yeah, I like your pole. Hey, nice pole, pal.
Let me tell you the funnest
I think
part-
that's gonna be my
funnest part
Jedi
is-
name.
But the tip's kind of deformed. What's all that about?
I'm not certain.
The funnest part of the Jag said was we rockied the steps, and there was not even half as many people here the other day. I mean, it was on a Wednesday morning, so.
Don't rocky the steps.
You realize it's in Philadelphia?
I know.
Born and raised.
No, we rockied it though. It's an act for rockying the climbing steps really fast. When you get to the top, you kind of throw your hands up.
Pretty iconic.
So they got these sort of just three plain stones
Huh?
in the middle of water. Maybe so often.
I'm sure they're there for a reason.
We're all here for a reason, Garrett.
Shit, man, those comments just need to happen. But yeah, picture this. So I was at the Vietnam Wall yesterday. They have a LeBlanc from Louisiana. That's on the wall.
Oh,
They got a little book you can look up.
I'd be surprised if he wasn't from Louisiana.
They got a lot of Massachusetts and shit.
LeBlancs?
Really? Boston.
Boston.
Serious. A lot of LeBlancs, they either made it all the way to Louisiana. Some of them got sent to Boston. That's what Dad said. He said when he was in Boston, and he got home to Boston.
Perhaps a Google search would fix that.
Hey, no memorial would be is never gonna be as big as the one we saw in Rome.
No, they're
You mean St. Peter's Cathedral?
No, I'm talking about
the Coliseum.
the Italian one.
No, you're talking about the Italian capital.
No, yeah, no. He's talking about the
The one with those horses.
Yeah, it literally looks like that with horses on the top.
Parthenon?
No. It's
The Pantheon.
no, G.
No.
It's a big.
It's
It's
for
an
the
Italian
World War
monument.
I monument.
It's an Italian monument. It's
Yeah,
literally the big square. Remember they had the flyover with the yellow.
It's the
red-
biggest memorial.
No, I know exactly what you're talking about. It's the Italian capital. It's their monument, but people work there too.
Let's walk.
Okay,
Let's
yeah,
walk up the
yeah.
front. Come see.
Cool that is.
这里边有小虫子咬啊。